Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make your phone never turn off or how to make your phone never lock. Okay, so what you have to do, first of all you have to go into setting. So when you go into the setting, here you have to just scroll down and here you will see battery options. So you have to make sure that your phone is not on low power mode. If it is on low power mode, you will not get that option. So you have to make sure that it is not on low power mode, and then back to the setting, and here you will see display and brightness. Now after that you have to scroll down and here you will see auto lock option. Just click on it and here you will see never option. Just click on it. Now after your phone never will phone or iPhone never turn off. So like this you can turn off, or you can make your phone never turn off. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.